How are you?
I'm fine.
You English understand? What's your name? Your name? And you going school? Which class? Okay. You see weather, but don't have jacket. You don't have shoes also. You know feeling cold? You feeling cold? So where is your jacket? Where are you from? Ah, okay. Oh. You know going school? Why? Why you know going school? Can you explain this guy?
Because of uniform, school fees, and exercise books.
Oh. Need right now, tell me. School?
Drama fees.
How much?
I think drama is school fees.
15,000.
Okay. After you going school, promise?
Yes.
Ask promise.
Yes.
Which school?
At school yake yakuti. At
Tomboy.
Primary secondary. Tomboy primary school.
Where is this?
Chilazuru.
I don't know this. I don't know where is this.
That's to that side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, weather is very cold today, but
Yes.
don't have any jacket, also shoes. Why I don't have any jacket? You can ask. Don't have money for buy this jacket.
Financial problem.
Okay. I can give you one jacket. No problem. Yeah, I think it's better. And you. Okay. First you can take this one. This is your dinner. You can go your home. You know weather. You can go your home and eating
Atukapita ku nyumba.
good food.
Wakule chakula ukanye.
Also this is for you. Okay? This one for you.
Thanks very much.
Okay?
Thanks.
Your name?
Stephen Kamwendo.
What are you doing?
I'm working at Anisi, but with Mati, but the salary is not enough.
Yeah, we have a too much problem, I know.
Yes.
But you can write my phone number. You call me, I'm coming your home. I'm coming like your village and assisting your fees. You can go school, please.
Akuti mutenge nambala yawo mukapita ku nyumba mwayimbire akuthandizeni azafike kwanu mpaka nakuti azapangiza dongoso zota azakulipira school fees.
Okay?
Nambala muli nayo mutenga yayiwo.
Okay, now you happy?
Ati muli osangalala?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Ati simunapange ziko mubwanji.
Okay, see you brother next time. Okay? Nice to meet you, okay? Okay, see you.
But boss,
Yes.
you don't have a place to locate me as a job.
Which job you right now? What are you doing right now?
I'm working as a guard.
Guard?
A guard.
Okay.
But the money he is receiving is not much to feed my family.
Where are you from?
Market.
Okay. You can write my number. You
Okay.
remind me after 10 days.
After 10 days.
We are looking any good job.
Okay.
I give you job, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Give me your number.
I give you number. Also, I give you your number. I'm coming your village, please. I give you your school fees, uniform, books. You can go school, please. Okay. Also, you go together school, and also next time I give you shoes. Okay. Explain.
Akuti akuthandizani kuti mupite ku school komanso pompano akuthandizani nsapato.
Okay.
Mamve?
Zikomo.
Ziko man.